The world was never actually dark to the people watching from above. Atlas Mirror began as a quiet network of weather eyes, radio ears, and orbiting cameras. Then those streams were fused into one living map that could follow a single signal from open ocean to mountain pass without blinking. At the surface, the first layer is ordinary and dense. Coastal radar, civil air transponders, shipping beacons, weather balloons, seismic microphones, and passive antennas listening for tiny bursts of energy. Most of that data is noisy. Storm fronts mimic ship wakes. Solar glare looks like thermal exhaust. A broken transponder can impersonate a vanished aircraft. Atlas Mirror does not trust any single source. The second layer sits in orbit. Low satellites take fast, narrow snapshots, then hand targets upward to higher platforms that trade detail for persistence. One craft confirms shape, another confirms heat, another confirms movement against background clutter. Handoffs happen in seconds. If cloud cover blinds one sensor, synthetic aperture sweeps through haze and rebuilds geometry from reflected pulses. If that fails, infrared tracks residual warmth where engines or friction recently passed. Fusion is where the system becomes powerful. Every object receives a probabilistic identity, not a fixed label. The model asks, what is this most likely to be? How certain are we? And what changed since last pass? A contact can age from unknown to provisional vessel to confirmed platform, then back to unknown when behavior diverges. That life cycle matters more than a single detection because intent appears in patterns. Course corrections, rendezvous timing, silent gaps, and repeated returns to specific coordinates. Anomalies are not treated as movie moments, they are ranked. First by confidence drift, then by strategic relevance. A brief heat bloom near a shipping lane may be dismissed. The same bloom repeated across nights near fiber routes gets escalated. Analysts pull historical baselines, compare against seasonal traffic, and test whether the event can be explained by weather, maintenance, or spoofing. Only after those filters does Atlas Mirror flag an alert worth human attention. Strategic secrecy is the final layer. Operators rarely reveal what sensor made a detection, only that multiple channels converged. That ambiguity protects collection methods and forces adversaries to guess which signature betrayed them. In practice, Atlas Mirror is less a single machine than a choreography of sensors, orbital relays, and Bayesian judgment. It does not promise omniscience. It promises continuity. If something moves, emits, or disturbs the environment long enough, the system can follow the story until uncertainty collapses into evidence.